How to turn off alert notifications on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn off alert notifications on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to turn off alert notifications on iPhone, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the settings application here. And once you launch the settings app, you will see this type of interface, where from here what you need to do is simply go to this little option that says notifications and then tap on it. Now once you go to notifications, if you don't want to receive any sort of alerts, at the top you can see count, stack and list. So depending upon which one you want, you can simply select count, stack or list, and at the bottom you'll be able to see an option called announce notifications. Tap on it and make sure to turn off announce notifications. After you have done that, you can also go to Siri suggestions tab and then make sure to turn off this toggle that says allow notifications. After you have done that as well, what you want to do from here is you can select a certain app manually if you don't want to receive notifications from it, and just turn off the toggle at the top that says allow notifications. Once you have done that, you'd have successfully turned off alert notifications on your iPhone. This way you can turn off alert notifications on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.